Well, a judge has ruled FedEx is not liable in a lawsuit filed by the families of the mass shooting victims.
A former employee shot and killed 8 people at that FedEx ground facility in April out by the Indianapolis International Airport. Tonight, Rich Nye explains how FedEx won its argument to be dropped from the lawsuit. He also just spoke with the widow of one of the victims.
The federal civil lawsuit is brought by the families of Amarjit Sekhon, Amarjit Johal, Yasvinder Kaur, Carly Smith, and John Weissert, 5 of the 8 people killed during a shift change at the FedEx ground facility. Carol Weissert's name is on the lawsuit. She lost her spouse, John, in the mass shooting.
I'm just perplexed. I mean, I'm not understanding, because the attorneys were so convincing that, this would most likely go and we would have a settlement. And I guess I'm just a little bit in awe and in shock that it was basically thrown out, as you're saying.
The wrongful death lawsuit claims FedEx and Securitas Security Services failed to keep the premises safe and were negligent in hiring, training, and supervising security workers. The judge ruled that any claims against FedEx would need to be filed with the Indiana Workers' Compensation Board. The ruling reads in part, the injuries for which plaintiffs seek redress allegedly occurred by accident arising out of and in the course of employment. This court may not grant any relief on plaintiffs' claims against FedEx. Securitas remains a defendant in the lawsuit. The security company filed a response in June denying any responsibility and noting none of the 5 victims in the lawsuit were clocked in when they were shot.